how to edit the video. I imagine that you have already installed this video editor. The name of this video editor is Shotcut. If you have no idea about how to download and install this video editor, I already made a complete video on it. Please watch. So how to edit the video? Just go to your video, drag and left arrow. There's volume ups or volume down. So again drag and left here. So here we can edit our video and zoom in, zoom out. So here it's okay for me. Okay, just play the video. The Joker. Splitter. Like if we do not need first 10, first 20, 30 seconds of the video, just play the video or move this splitter. Okay, if we do not need this part of the video, just click on split. So this part and this part is now split from each other. Select the part and cut. Do not need any part from the video from anywhere. Just click on split, select, cut. Similarly, if you do not need last part of the video, so click on split, select and cut. So how to add music in the video? It's very easy. Just here right click, track option, add audio track. So here is audio track. Just go to your music or your ringtone or song, anything you want. Select song or and left, again drag and left on audio track. So audio can also edit with the help of splitter. Like this portion of the song I do not need, so click on split, select the part and cut. Now we can check. And how is your? So here is the volume of video and the volume of audio. If you do not need, you do not want the volume of the video, so click on mute. Like you want to add some picture or some icon in the video, here right click, track option, add video track. So here we can add any images or icon you want. So I want to add icon of please subscribe or subscribe the channel. So go to your image or icon like sub icon, just drag and left arrow, again drag and left arrow. Now check. You can increase the timing of your image like this. If this video is helpful for you, then please like and subscribe my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.